Hello friends, this is going to be a quick video about what I'm using for my tax software this year. It's called TaxHawk, and I'm going to take you through some of the things that it is. In the past I used TurboTax, and TurboTax worked well until the last 2 or 3 years, and they started doing something funky, and the numbers that I was getting was not anything close to what I should have been getting. I don't know what they were using for their algorithms, but there was something wrong with what their system. So I had to abandon their software last year and go with TaxHawk. So I ended my W-2s, and there's a refund maximizer. I guess I can go to the so basically, this is my income, personal income, the W-2s. I had a little bit of money made from, one doctor paid me as an independent contractor, but I suppose if you're doing DoorDash or Uber or Lyft, this is where the income would go. It would go in as an independent contractor, as a business. And TaxHawk does have that, fortunately. So you can have a combination of W-2s as well as income as an independent contractor. So I've got that. And it wasn't hard to do. It automatically calculates the income. It was a business income, Schedule C. And fortunately, TaxHawk did that for me. I'm so grateful for that because I've never done that before. And then it goes over the different itemized deductions. State of Nevada does not require an income tax return. So I'm going to file now, order products, review tax return. So I'm not going to do any of these services because I don't really need to. Direct deposit to my bank account, yes sir. Do I want to split my refund into more than one bank account? Not really. Luckily I'm getting a refund of $11.36, which is good. I really changed up my W-2s this year. I requested that my employers withhold an additional $50 per paycheck, and that really helped out. Yeah, I know a lot of people say, oh, well, you're just giving the government an interest-free loan. Maybe that's true. It doesn't. Last year, I owed $4,000 to the IRS. I'd rather give the IRS an interest-free loan than having to scrounge up $4,000 at the end of the year, or at the end of April, or middle of April. So I really don't, I really don't care about that argument. I'd rather have money coming back than having to pay out. That's all that's important to me. Checking account. Okay, it's asking me if I want to e-file now. So far, it's the filing is free. Okay, so getting ready to submit my taxes and tax return. Your federal tax return has been submitted to the IRS. Check back soon. Nothing to mail. Once the IRS accepts your return, you're finished. And I'm going to download my tax return so I can store it away on my hard drive. Yeah, TaxHawk, it works very good. I really like it. This is free. TurboTax is not free. I can see how some people might like TurboTax because maybe it works well for you because it has features that you need. It makes things easier on you. For me, my taxes are fairly straightforward. I don't have a lot of itemized deductions, but TaxHawk does seem to check for irregularities. I had one employer who I made $2,000 from last year, and apparently they withheld more than $600 in taxes from my paycheck. And even though that's much higher than they should have, TaxHawk actually caught that. And that surprised me because I always figured that, you know, tax services like these that don't charge any money wouldn't bother to check my returns for errors, but TaxHawk does. So I'm really, really happy with TaxHawk, and I would definitely recommend it to anybody. And in the future, I think I'll be using it as well. So that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching.